It's so sunny out here in Torrance. What the hell? It was so cloudy in the valley when we left. Good news is we get 40% off the back wall. Bad news, I left my $25 gift card at home. Dang it. Starting off with these right here in the 10. Got some Pegasus premiums right here. Interesting color. Like that makes it like even more interesting. What the hell? Why would they add that color right there? I don't know. But it is $230. Saw these cheaper at the clearance store. Got Forces for $100. But that 40% off makes everything decent. I don't know about this color though. I've never been a huge fan of gold like that. $140. 40 off, that's decent. MVP 92s. $100, so $60. Got another one of these. 7 lows or 6 lows. Got some shocks down here. R4's $90. Got mids and the 10.5s, 110. I just saw these for what, like 60? Oh, they weren't the patent, they were just the regular bread lows. $90. LeBron trainers, 110. Zoom Fly 6s, 120. That's actually cheaper. That comes out cheaper than the Nike clearance store. Damn. I think it was $79.99 there, and these are $72 after the discount. Gonna scope out the bigger sizes in the women's. This is the type of stuff I'm hoping for. $135. Definitely not digging the color. I'm digging that price. It is a 9.5 men's though. Dang it. Hoping to find stuff like this. That means it's extended size price. That means, hey, they're having a harder time moving the bigger sizes or smaller sizes, so they're gonna clearance them out. Clearance them out even more. $60 for these, and then remember you get 40% off. So it's under $30, under $30. What is that, like $24, something like that? Oh wait. So that brings that down to what, $36? First time seeing these at the outlets. Airmore of Tempos, $160. Another one of these. Like a lot of these aren't marked. I don't know if is that a mistake. Got these ones right here. Mids, $100. Calm slides right here, 40. $24 after the savings. $90 for these Cortez. $50 for these Jordan 4RMs. I could probably wear these too. That's $35. Actually even less. That's $30 freaking dollars. $30. Holy crap. $90 for these right here. 40% off clearance apparel. Sweats still on sale, $50. Running shorts, $40. Got some Ed Hardy looking basketball shorts, $30. $58 right here for the golf shorts. Some tights slash compression pants. No, these are compression pants maybe. Tight fit, no kidding, fools. No kidding. I don't see a price tag though. Got one. Oh my god, I forgot to bring mine for my pops. God dang it. I did buy one of these for my pops. Is it cheaper here? No, it's not cheaper here. Dang it, I totally forgot to bring this. Dang it, should I just buy it and then freaking return the one I have? I'll see if I find anything, because check your Nike app. There is a $20 off 100 back to school thing right now. So you get 40% off the wall, 40% off clearance apparel, and then you get another 20% off if you use that coupon. But yeah, I got book jerseys right here. We got small, we got large. We got multiple sizes. Nike running, $40 for that. This coupon's gonna make me look for something. $100 for polo. A couple weeks ago they had 25% off backpacks. Now that it's getting closer to school, nope. Yeah, it was the exact same price, and they were giving us 25% off. Dang it. All right, back to the clearance sneakers. Maybe size 11. We'll give us something nice. 110. Got mids right here. These are 11.5, $80. Or not, just these MVPs. There's a Jordan Separate right here. 10.5. Another one of those. The Nike coupon only available just July 15th. That's this Wednesday. Only a couple days away. Got patent Air Force Ones. $100. I feel like these just came out, didn't they? These bad boys just came out. I guess someone returned their pair. Now they're sale for $100 and then $40 off on top. I wear size 10.5, but with forces, I usually need. I usually need a size 10. I think I need a size 10. Can wear these with the suit and stuff, so pretty dope. Got some Spizikes right here, 130. Gatos right here. These get that extended size pricing I showed you guys earlier. $60, another $40 off on top. 12, 13, 14s all mixed in right here. Got the, what the hell is this? Oh, dang, these are awful looking. $75 for those size 14 men's. More Spizike lows, 110. It's a decent color. Take 1.2s for $75. What's this right here? Some Zoom X Streak Fly 2s. Middle distance runners, 130. Looking for a reason to spend this $20 coupon. Especially since I could buy that jersey and then return the one that I have. Trying to find something, not really having too much luck. My kid likes this stuff. Oh, it's a small, $30. But not having any luck. Is this all t-shirts? Book one jersey, another one of those. Not really finding much. I think this one's just all t-shirts. All freaking t-shirts. And dang it. But they got 40% off. All kinds of stuff that they're trying to get rid of winter gear. $30 for those. But even t-shirts and stuff, just black t-shirts, 15, another 40 off. They got other colors. On this side, it's fleece only, $60. This side is shorts only, 30% off. 50 for these. It says jackets only. I'm assuming they're talking about these hoodies right here, $45. You get another 40 off. Speaking of, what the hell? They got a lacrosse. I've never even seen one of these in person. And they got a lacrosse thing right here. There's aluminum. Yeah, $70. Is it 40 off? Is it? I don't know. I should say that. Yeah, and look at this. What is this? Oh, this is a lefty glove. Never seen that. All right, let's knock out 9 and under. Oh, what is it? I just don't recognize this. ACG Pegasus Trail color. Color's kind of dope. Not really into the shoes. $155. More Gatos right here. $60. Zoom Fly $120. Not seen too much craziness. The Infinity Run 4s are $120 or $110 for all three of those. Got some cross country shoes, $110. These sprinting spikes, $85 for size 8. Got these in a size 8. For $100 still. Got these Air Maxes going for $60. But to be honest, not much else. Not really seeing much else. Yeah, some Jordan 1 cleats. These are way small. Yeah, $140. Then got some with Luca 5s, $135. That's about it though. Alright, let's see if they got anything interesting in the aisles. I'm gonna try to create a short talking about that back to school sale. They got a couple days for this coupon. Jordan play slides. Then a bunch of generic J Stay Loyals and stuff like that. Didn't I just see one of these in the aisles? I think. Didn't I see just one of these on the back wall, I think? Easter 3s right here. I like that tumbled leather, so just color's a little much for me. Even got the extra Easter looking box as well. Got some Shocks R4s, a couple of different colorways. Budget looking Shocks. I was gonna say more budget, but they're actually more expensive. Air Force Ones, and this is like an NBA one or something. Okay. Got some with the gun bottom. Max 2017s. And a cargo khaki colorway. Third different one here. Air Max 95 big bubbles. Like way silvery, okay. Got some Calm mules. Calm slides. Middle of summer, so I got a couple of the nasty slides right there. NBA signature hoop shoes right here. Got LeBron Next Gens. Got LeBron Witnesses. Budget hoop shoes right there. GT Cut Academies. In 4 different colorways right there. Jordan 4 RMs go for way cheap. City shoes right there. Got some Dunks. I think that's it for the men's. I got some running shoes, just Infinity around 4s, and then just a bunch of budget runners. Alright, moving over to the women's clearance section. They got a Vaporfly Next Percent 4s. Looks like regular price. Some Interact runs. These kind of give me that look. They're hella hard though. 60. Got some ones right here. Mids right next to it. $100. Hella bright Dunks. Crazy bright. What was that? $90. These weird looking things. $105. $90 for some mids. Forces right here. $90. 8 ones. $115. 270s. $100. That's a different color, right? Different color with the Forces right here. $90. Total 90s. They were pushing these like crazy. $100. For the Olympics, got another one right here. Damn, both of them are backwards. What the hell, dude? Yeah, 100 for both. And then I think these made it out the aisles because I've been seeing a bunch of those. 160 still though. Pegasus Plus. What worker keeps putting these in back? What the hell, dude? 130 for these. This one we saw earlier, 279. Dude, again, really? God damn, dude. Someone ain't doing their job correctly. 175. What are these? Rejuvenate 45. Moving over to grade school section real quick. I got some 4RMs 55. Some funky Cortez right there. $30. Got some hoop shoes. Or these some Sabrinas. $70. It's the same one. Yeah, same one, different color. 70. A1s right here. 65. Immortalities. Right here, 55, Big Bubble 95. These ain't no Big Bubble 95. Vomeros, curious to see how much those are going for, but yeah, it's listed as 105. I doubt that's right. Vomeros right here, $80. These are MVPs, 85. Shocks R4 is 85. Let's check the aisles. We'll do the grade school, then women's. We got all kinds of the generic Jordans, but look at that price. Holy crap. Spizike lows. Then not much else, to be really honest. Got Forces, white and in black. See what I got on feed. Do got some black hat 4s right here, Jordan 4 black hats. And I think I got this pair for like $95 or something crazy. That was pretty insane. And that was after I got it on release. They got it from sort of clearance store. And yeah, I still got my brand new ones. In box. I should probably just sell it. Yeah, jeans, t-shirt. Then moving over to the women's section, you got Superflies. Like, these are so weird. I think they started running shoes way back when. We got a few different slides. Got some Forces right here, hydrogen blue. Got some Dunks right here, NBA Dunks apparently. The pink ones, we know these. Elemental pink. Romero 5s in a chrome. B2K run. And then I think a bunch of generics. Seeing if there's any quality running shoes, just the Infinity 4s. I think that's about it, dude. Need to go have dinner with my. Ooh. Oh, wait, dude got. Oh, I thought these were. What the hell? Yeah. What the hell? Oh, a bunch of Winflows and then this tiny little sliver of Vomeros right here. But yeah, that's a hell of a price. Holy crap. What's the color code? Summit White. If they have a size. Dang, they don't have a size 10.5. I need a 10.5 for my kiddo, but they don't have it. Mother Freaking A. Damn, everything else, not really high quality stuff or any of the premium stuff. And then the one they do have, they don't have my kiddo size. Dang it. They have size 10 women's. Need a 10 and a half. This is size 9. Dang it. Dang it.